Hello students, today I am starting exercise 3. In this exercise, you will learn how can we find out the value of k if the equation has unique solution, if equation has no solution, if equation have infinite solution. So let's restart. Hello students, today I am starting exercise 3. First question is, so that the given system of equations has a unique solution. Equations are 3x plus 5y is equal to 12 and 5x plus 3y equal to 4. So, comparing equations 3x plus 5y is equal to 12 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 4 with equation a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. We find a1 is equal to 3, a2 equal to 5, b1 equal to 5, b2 equal to 3, c1 equal to 12 and c2 equal to 4. a1 upon a2 is equal to 3 upon 5, b1 upon b2 equal to 5 upon 3, c1 upon c2 equal to 12 by 4, 4 3 is 12 equal to 3 by 1. Since here you will see that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore equations will have unique solution. In second question, so that the given system of equations has infinite solutions. First equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and second equation is 6x minus 9y equal to 15. Solution 2x minus 3y is equal to 5, this is equation first. 6x minus 9y is equal to 15, this is equation second. Here we have a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 3, b2 equal to minus 9, c1 equal to 5 and c2 equal to 15. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 9, minus minus cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 is equal to 1 by 3. c1 upon c2 is equal to 5 upon 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. Clearly we find a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So equations, since a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, so equations will have infinite solution. Question number 3 is find the value of k for which the given system of equation have no solution. हमको इसमें k का वैल्यू बताना है और ये बता रहा है कि इस इक्वेशन में के कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. तो हियर वी हैव a1 इक्वल टू 8, a2 इक्वल टू k, b1 इक्वल टू 5, b2 इक्वल टू 10, c1 equal to 9 and c2 equal to 15. Since equation has no solution, therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is a formula to check equation. Now putting these values, at the place of a1 we put 8 and at the place of a2 we put k. 8 upon k is equal to b1 equal to 5 and b2 is equal to 10 and not equal to c1 equal to 9 and c2 is equal to 15. So at first we take these two, 8k upon 8 upon k equal to 5 upon 10. By using cross multiplication, k into 5 is equal to 8 into 10. So 5k is equal to 80. K equal to 80 upon 5. 5 16 ja. So k equal to 16. Second question is kx plus 3y is equal to 3. 12x plus ky is equal to 6. Solution, at first we write again it, kx plus 3y is equal to 3. This is equation first. 12x plus ky is equal to 6. This is equation second. Now here we have a1 equal to k, a2 equal to 12, b1 equal to 3, b2 is equal to k, c1 equal to 3, c2 is equal to 6. Since equation has no solution, therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Putting these values, k upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k is not equal to 3 upon 6. Taking 2 these, k upon 12 equal to 3 upon k. Now using cross multiplication method, k into k is equal to 3 into 12. So k square equal to 36. So k is equal to under root 36 is equal to plus minus 6. So the value of k will be plus minus 6. +6 भी हो सकता है और -6 भी इसका सॉल्यूशन k का वैल्यू हो सकता है। k का वैल्यू यहाँ +-6 हो रहा है, तो इसमें से k का वैल्यू +6 होगा कि -6 होगा, ये भी हमको चेक करना है। तो हमने अभी तक ये दो ऑप्शन लिए थे, अब हम इस दोनों ऑप्शन को लेंगे। तो चाहे हम k/12 और 3/6 ले सकते हैं। सो इन सेकेंड स्टेप k/12 is not equal to 3/6. Now using cross multiplication method, k into 6 is not equal to 3 into 12. So 6k is not equal to 36. k is not equal to 36/6. 6 6 is 36. So k is equal to 6, नॉट इक्वल टू 6, यानी k का वैल्यू जो है +6 नहीं होगा। तो राइट सॉल्यूशन जो है इस क्वेश्चन का होगा k इक्वल टू -6। यहाँ पर हमने देखा था कि +-6 आया था, हमारे पास कन्फ्यूजन था कि क्या होगा, k का वैल्यू +6 होगा कि k का वैल्यू -6 होगा। तो जब हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप किए तो हमको पता चल गया कि k का वैल्यू +6 नहीं हो सकता है, k का वैल्यू +6 नहीं हो सकता है, तो k का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, -6 हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर विच द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस हैव यूनिक सॉल्यूशन। यहाँ पर हमको k का वैल्यू निकालना है जिसमें जो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन को शो करेगा, यानी इक्वेशन के पास यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है, एक सॉल्यूशन है। सो kx plus 2y is equal to 5, 3x plus y is equal to 1. Here we have a1 equal to k, a2 equal to 3, b1 equal to 2 and b2 equal to y. y के प्लेस में y का कोफिशिएंट 1 है, तो 1 लिखेंगे, c1 इक्वल टू 5 एंड c2 इक्वल टू 1. सिंस इक्वेशन हैज अ यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, therefore a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So at the place of a1 we put k upon 3 is not equal to 2 upon 1. So k into 1 is not equal to 2 into 3. So k is not equal to 6. k का वैल्यू 6 नहीं होगा, बाकी कुछ भी हो सकता है, जिससे ये आपका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा। Therefore the value of k could be any real number except 6.